Welcome to the 360-degree Real Estate Investor Website Builder tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create, use, and customize your very own website, complete with built-in lead capture forms. A task that used to take weeks of planning, teams of high-priced developers, thousands of dollars, and months of development time, you can now do yourself in 10 minutes or less with absolutely no technical experience and for substantially less than you could have ever imagined possible. To get started, you'll want to fill out all your personal and business details on the sign-up page. Enter details such as your first and last name, your primary email address, select a password, enter your company business address complete with city, state, and zip code, phone number, and fax. In the description field, you'll want to fill in the quick details about your company. These details are used on the Contact Us page of your website. Be brief but descriptive. You want to convey your business message to potential home sellers. Detail for them why they want to use your business over another home buyer services. Next, enter your company name and the license number that you received in the original email. After this, you will click Submit. Now that your account has been created, go ahead and click here to log in. To log in, enter the email and the password that you used in the sign-up page, and then click Submit. The first time you log in, you'll see a screen letting you know that you still need to finish setting up your website. Simply click the Start It Now button to complete your setup. Now, you'll enter the basic details of your website. You can change these details later in the control panel if you wish. First, enter the site title. This is usually your company name. Next, enter your unique URL. Now, enter the slogan of your website or your business. Again, these details are editable from the control panel later should you change your mind. Now you can select the template that you would like to use for the color scheme and layout. You can always select a different template from your control panel later if you choose. Each template can be previewed so that you can get a feel for what each one looks like. You'll see dummy text that will be replaced with pre-formatted copy and your specific company information once you make a selection. As you can see, there are several selections to choose from. So now we make our final selection, and we're going to click on the home page to see the control panel. This is where you'll go to customize your website and access your leads as they're submitted. Now that you've set up the website, it's time to go check it out. In the top right-hand corner, you'll see your URL. Click it now to see the website. As you can see, the website is up and running in under 4 minutes. Each page is set up with a lead capture form and pre-formatted copy with your company details merged right in. This professionally written copy has been designed to help you get more leads. Everything you see has been designed to be completely customizable so that you can quickly and easily add your own words and images to the website. You can see the details that were entered during the setup phase here on the Contact Us page. You can see that company contact information has been merged here as well. Now let's go back to the control panel. From here, you will be able to customize everything about your website. The content, the forms, even edit and remove pages. Click here to see all of the available templates and make changes to the overall look and feel of your website. Here's where you go to edit and or delete existing pages, add new pages, and change the images and text on your web pages. Here's where you'll find all the leads and the details of those leads generated from your home page. Select this option to manage your contractors' and tenants' access to your website. Click here to edit and delete your inventory of properties. Click here to edit and or delete contractors that have access to your properties and work orders. Click here to add or change your company logo. Click here to manage whether your website is on or offline. Click here to manage your site and company details. Click here to make changes to the form on your home page. Click here to edit the form on your detailed sell property page, and click here to manage the leads from this form. Now let's go ahead and make a few changes to our existing pages. First, click on the Manage Web Pages icon. From here, you will be able to see all the pages that make up your website. Let's make a few changes to your home page. First, click on the Edit link. This takes us to your Content Management page. From here, you will be able to quickly and easily make real-time changes and updates to your website. Let's get started by making changes to some of the text on this page. We'll change the font size and color using the WYSIWYG editor. WYSIWYG stands for What You See Is What You Get, meaning that the changes made here will look exactly like they'll look on your web page. There's no need to know HTML, PHP, or any other programming language for that matter. However, if you want to use these languages, you can by switching the editor to the source mode code. For our purposes, we'll stick to the regular editor. So we highlight the text, "Welcome to our website." Let's make the font larger and change the color to red. We'll click on the home page and we can see that our updates have been made instantly. Now we'll go back to the control panel and update and move the image on the home page. So we go back to the control panel and select Edit just as we had done before. Scroll down, we're going to select the image and click on the icon to edit the image properties. The image dialog box appears and this will allow us to change the image. To change the image, click on the Browse Server button. This will bring up a list of the current images available on the server. You can select one of these images or upload an image directly from your desktop. Let's go ahead and browse our computer for the image that we would like to add and click Open. Now we'll scroll through and select the image that we would like to add to our web page. In this instance, I'll select the Home Underwater logo. This will upload it directly into the server. So now we go back, find that particular image, select it, and you can see it uploads it onto the Image Properties dialog box. Here we can make any changes we would like to the image. Click OK, we upload it to the page, and now we can edit it to go on the left side, right side, or center, and then we can grab the image and drag it and drop it wherever we would like on the page. Once we have it exactly where we want it, click Submit, and we'll go back to the home page, refresh, and we can see our changes. So that image that we had selected is a new image added to the page and added exactly where we want it. Okay, now that we made a few changes to our web page, let's try using a different template. This will change the overall look and feel of the website without affecting the changes we previously made. To do this, you want to click on the Manage Templates link and then select the template that you'd like to use. We'll go back to the website, hit refresh, and see the new design. As you can see, all the changes we made previously are unaffected and merge right into the new template. Now let's add a new page to the website. We go back to the Content Management page, click the Add New Page button. Now, name your page and give the page a title. This will be how you can identify each page. Decide whether you want the link to show on the top of the page or in the footer, and whether you want this page to be open in the same window or launch a new window when selected. Next, we add our text to the page and any images that you wish. We'll go ahead and insert a little smiley here. So now we click Submit and go back to the web page and click Refresh. As you can see, click Refresh, see the new page link here, and we go to the page and you can see our updates. New page, this is my new page with the little smiley face. Alright, next we're going to change the header and the slogan on the website. So we go back to the control panel, select Manage Site Settings, okay, now what we need to do is go ahead and just add a space between the home and buyers, and we're going to add an exclamation point right after situation. That way it looks exactly like we want it to, and now we're just going to click Submit. Go back to the home page, click Refresh, and we'll be able to see our changes. There's now going to be a space between home and buyers, and we added the exclamation point right after situation. Now let's go add a logo to our website. Go back to the control panel and select the Manage Logo icon. Click on the Browse button to upload your logo from the computer. Select the right image. It's best to use a JPEG image for best results. Click your Submit button and that's it. Go back to the home site, hit refresh, and we'll see our logo has now been added to the site. Okay, now we're going to see the online lead capture form in action. A user comes to your site and enters their information and quick details about their property. Once they've entered all the details and click Submit, this information is stored in your control panel and emailed immediately to you. So we go to our email client and we can see the email that was just sent. Let's open this up, and here we can see all of the details the seller entered in the website. We will also be able to see the seller's information via the control panel. So we go back to the control panel, click on Manage Leads, and here you see that lead that had just come in. Click Manage, and those are all of the details submitted by the seller. We understand that sometimes you may want to collect additional details that aren't currently on the lead capture form. This is why we have added a way for you to add or remove fields with just a few clicks. To access the online form, click on the Manage Homepage form icon. Here you'll see a list of all the available fields. You can activate and deactivate all the current fields or click the Add New Field button to add your own custom option. Use the field label to identify the information you wish to collect. Then select the field type. There are 4 to choose from. Once this is done, click Submit, and you can see the new field that we've added right here. Now we'll go back to the home page of the website, hit refresh, and you'll see the test field that we just added right on the bottom, so that whatever information it is that you wanted to collect is now here and ready for your use. This concludes the 360-degree real estate investor website building tutorial. For support, contact us at support@360investing.net. Thank you.